Hello, hello. Good morning, sunshine. Ayan po, dito naman tayo sa ating gardens. We have here some, see, may radish. Can you see po yung radish natin? Ayan po. Radish po to. Ayan. Uminit na rin sa wakas. And we have some kangkong over here, which is water spinach. Ayan po. So, nakuha na po namin yung iba. We make some stir fry veggie, and also we have some Malabar spinach here, red Malabar spinach. Ayan po, alugbati po ang tawag dito. So ayan, kikita nyo naman ang aking kangkong, so beautiful. Ayan, so ayan, lumabas na po yung kanyang radish. Ayan, kinuha na po namin ang aming onion leaf. Ayan po, spinach over here. Ayan, aming vegetables. So ito guys, okra. Ayan, ito pa yung okra, which is lady's finger sprout. Ayan, ang aking tomato, bright and shiny plant. Ayan, tomato, kamatis. Ayan po yung okra. So along the side yan, okra yan siya guys. Ayan, okra sprout. So ayan guys, vegetables nandito. So ito na, malaki na yung aking water spinach, which is kangkong. Then nilagay ko yung aking kamatis here. Ito po yung another types of kangkong, which is we use this for soup. Ayan. And also, this one is pepper chili. Yan, red chili. Which is very spicy guys. Ang sarap na pang sausawan. And this is saluyot guys. Yan. Hinahalo sa panggata at saka sa pangsabaw. Andito naman yung ating ampalaya. Ito guys. This is ampalaya. See, may vines na siya, going up now. Ito po is bitter gourd. Ayan, bitter gourd, which is ang tawag doon, yung ampalaya. Ayan, ampalaya. And this one is, this one is patola, which is a sponge gourd. Ayan, this is patola. And this one is, I think this is a sitaw guys. Yan, sitaw. What you call that in sitaw is, ano ba yung tawag doon? Nakalimutan. Kung spring bean ba yung ano ba tawag doon? Sitaw to guys. Ayan. So, ito yung okra. Ayan. Itong malaking okrang naiwan. This is patola guys. Yan, patola to guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo, laki na ng bunga niya guys. Very beautiful. So ito naman guys, this is upo sprout. Ayan, or we call it bottle gourd. Ayan, this is upo, or we call it butter gourd. Ayan, nilagay na lang kanyang parang hakdanan para kung kaso na lalaki na siya guys. Ayan, may daanan na siya. And this is upo, butter gourd sprout. Ayan. Ayan. This is butter gourd sprout guys. So ayan, nakahilera siya dyan. And then ready for, ayan, kanyang climbing up para sa kanyang vines. So, ayan, tignan nyo yung bees. They are busy buzzing the flowers, beautiful flowers of patola. Ayan. Ayan, may bagong bunga naman tayo. So ayan siya guys, this is patola. Yan, kanyang bahay-bahay. Ayan na, malaki na siya guys, oh, di ba? This is very big now. Sponge guard. Yan, may maliit dito. Which is facing the sun. Just I love it. Ayan. May manok din dito guys. Ayan. May mga manok dito. Chick chick chick. And this is for water spinach also guys. Using for soap. Ayan. Ginagamit dito pang soap. And this one is ginagamit for stir fry, water spinach, which is I love to eat this one, stir fry, water spinach. Ayan. Dami na niya. And this one, can you see that? Ayan, yung inayos ko na kamatis. Ayan, ganda na siya. Oh. Lovely. Ito pa yung inayos ko na tomato. Ayan. Ayan, nabulok siya guys. But it's okay. Nabulok siya. Kasi sige ulan. But it's okay. They already grown okay. Ayan, saluyot. So over here guys, meron akong lemongrass, which is tanglad. Ayan, lemongrass ito. Ayan yung aking tomato na inaayos. Ayan siya guys. Very beautiful. Ayan, facing the sun na siya. There you go guys. Ayan. Lemongrass. So ayan, may malaki na siya. Ayan, bunga. Which is the patola or sponge gourd. Ayan. It's nice, diba? Maraming gulay. Gulay na makulay ang buhay. There you go. It's a beautiful flowers in the morning. Fresh na fresh.